California avocado season is a delicious and exciting time, but when exactly does it occur? I'm Zem from Honeysuckle, and I'm here to help you understand when and where to look for California avocados at the farmer's market or in your local grocery store. So unlike avocados from other origins, California avocados are not available all year long. Although you may see avocados in stores all year round, it's important to check for the California avocado labels when in season. California grown avocados can vary in availability depending on location. Generally, California avocados are in season from spring through early fall. During peak season, California avocados can be found in the western states as well as targeted markets in the US and in Asia. Most California avocados are identified with California branding with label of origin. Be sure to look for California on the label to ensure you're getting fresh, locally California-grown avocados when in season. Sometimes due to supply-related incidents, retailers will have a different country of origin. If you can't find conventionally grown California avocados, don't forget to look in the organic section. Produce managers at your local grocery store are also a great resource to answer any questions and help you find exactly what you're looking for. We always encourage our consumers to source and shop locally. Many farmers markets carry California avocados when in season. Find a local farmers market near you and be sure to ask the grower if your avocados are from California. Be sure to mark your calendars and check out our store locator on CaliforniaAvocado.com to find fresh California avocados near you.